Okay, hello guys, it's me again. If you don't really know who I am Minecraft Master. And, well, that's my YouTube name. Well, not my real name, but your YouTube name, and yeah, that's what I'm going to be showing to make today. I already did this a little earlier. I'll try to show you everything I do. Okay, I have everything that you need to do. And then press okay. One. Okay. If you want to do it that way, whatever way you're gonna go out, you have to keep going like. See, it's gonna be like that. You have to keep going whatever way you're going. Wherever the first torch is pointing. And then when you don't. Okay, you don't want to put that. Oh, yeah, you do actually. But don't press in the ship. Oh, you have to be on one side. And I'll show you that it works. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. And that is a turn. I don't really know how to edit right now, so I won't really be able to edit. I'm telling the truth, I don't know how to edit. I'm new to this is my first video, I think. And yeah, I'm just showing it then. If you're wondering what this stuff that looks like sand is, my finger's a little weird. It's actually, if you're wondering why it looks like sand, it's grass, because my finger's weird. Hasn't really been used a lot, so it will do that. And I will show you my best trick. Bye later. Bye guys. Okay. And guys, I am telling the truth. If you could make a video guys for me, or chat with me, or tell me how to edit, that would be perfect. Awesome! Done. Now I'm gonna show you my Xbox. I can only make this video. As you can see, it's 4:10. And you can see the fire. Yeah, as you can see, guys, you just saw that. That's it. Yeah, I can eat it. Not how. Oh, where I am. I'll put it in better to in the dark so I can see where at night. Okay, guys. This is Minecraft Master. I'll end this video. Stop.